Good morning. Today I'm going to be taking you guys through my entire day. It's going to be probably pretty productive. I'm going to get up. It's 9:32 right now. I slept in a little bit. I'm going to get up. I'm going to put some makeup on. I need to cover this. And I'm going to get ready. And then I'm going to go get my nails done. And I'm going to go get a gym membership. I'm just doing stuff today. I would like to work out. If I get a gym membership, I might go later. So. I'm gonna get up. Gonna brush my teeth. My teeth are clean. I'm gonna put some makeup on. And yeah, I'm just gonna kind of time lapse in my makeup because it's just my makeup. My makeup's done. Took like 10 minutes to do, 11 minutes. Yeah, it's pretty natural. It's just like covering up blemishes and then blush, bronzer, fake freckles, because I like the way they look. And then mascara, eyebrows, and this lip stain. It's not even lip stuff. It's literally cloud paint from Glossier for your cheeks, but I put it on my lips because I think it looks good. Okay, I'm gonna get dressed and then I'm gonna get going. I don't know what I'm gonna go do first, but I guess I can figure it out. Okay, so I got dressed. I'm wearing this shirt. Okay, my room is literally a mess, but I'm wearing this tank top from Walmart. It's from the kids section. And then I'm wearing just black Lulu leggings. And then I'm just gonna wear like Vans or something. So yeah. I'll probably clean my room later because it's just a disaster right now. So, yeah. I'm gonna get my nails done. I don't know what color I'm gonna get, but I'm just gonna get gel polish on my nails and toes instead of like acrylics or anything. I'm gonna have like nubs because I'm a nail biter. But whatever. Okay, I think I'm good to go. The TV out there is so loud. I'm gonna get coffee first. And I don't know if I'm gonna go, like what I'm gonna go do first, but I'll keep you all updated. I can't like drive really in the car. Well, I can't film in the car while I'm driving just because, hold on, this is so loud, shut up. I can't like film while driving because my camera won't stay. My dashboard's like slanted and it just slides right off. So yeah, but that's okay. Starbucks. I have so many gift cards in this wall that it's like overfilling. But it's fine. What else was I gonna grab before I left? Oh, my water. I want to bring my water so I can stay hydrated throughout the day. See y'all whenever I stop somewhere. See you later, Gator. See you later, Gator. I forgot to film, but I'm at McDonald's getting hash browns and I got Dunkin'. So, yeah. So I got 2 hash browns and then I got a coffee. If you're wondering what my Dunkin' order is, it is a medium cold brew with whole milk and caramel swirl. It's Charlie D'Amelio's Dunkin' order. It's really good. I mean, it's not super consistent at my Dunkin'. Yeah, now I'm going to the nail place. See ya. I just got to the nail salon. I'm not gonna bring my camera in because that'll be awkward. And I just don't, like, I don't wanna carry all of that. But I'll film on my phone a little bit and probably insert it in. So yeah, I'm at the nail salon. Okay, get the nubs done. My nubs. Okay, so I just got done at the nail salon. I got my toes and nails painted with gel. Nothing special. I just got a very neutral color, and my nails are just short because I bite them, but I got them done so that hopefully I can stop biting them, but they're just like little nude nubs. So yeah, now I'm gonna go probably to Target and Marshall's. And I barely drank any of my coffee because I had to wear a mask and I couldn't drink through it really well, you know? But it's fine. But yeah, my nails, these are them. I guess I'll show you. They're like little nubs, but they're fine. I'll see you guys when I get to Target and Marshall's. I'll probably like vlog then more, but it smells like lotion. Okay. I'm at Marshall's and I can't decide if I want to bring my camera in. Or if I should just film on my phone. I'll bring my camera in. It's fine. There it is, over there. Okay. I picked out some workout clothes, but I don't think I want anything else. Okay, so I just bought some things from Marshall's and I'm kind of annoyed because this wallet that I have is so, I'm like over it. It ripped. Completely open. It's a Kate Spade wallet thing. I have so many gift cards in here, and I had a Marshall's one, so I was sitting there like, I'm not gonna use my debit card when I have a Marshall's gift card, and I couldn't get it out, and then the freaking wallet ripped open, and now I don't have a spot for my license. Okay, and I wasn't even gonna go to Target, but now I'm gonna go to Target and see if I can buy a new wallet because obviously I need one. I literally couldn't get it out. I'm like, I have a gift card. Just trying to get it out. And my wallet just, now my license is just chilling right here. Cool. Why did I think that was a half zip jacket? Oh, it's not. It's fine, it's still cute. Silly me. All right, now I'm gonna go over there to Target. I'm at Target now, but I'm sitting in my car eating this hash brown from earlier, even though it's cold. Still tastes good, so. But my cheek. There's Target. Okay, I'm gonna run into Target. I'm not gonna bring my camera because I'm literally just going to look for a wallet thing and then I'm dipping, so. Okay, I found one at Target. There was literally one and it's ugly. Like, what is this strap? It's really long. Whatever. You know what? It works. It was really cheap, so. Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna go get a gym membership now. I'm not gonna film that just because that would be freaking awkward to bring my camera into. So, yes. Okay, I'm home now. I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys of what I got from Marshall's. Also, I got the gym membership. Had some difficulties, but I got it, so it's fine. But Marshall's. I got this jacket. It's like a workout jacket. I kind of thought it was a half zip, but I was wrong. It's actually a full zip jacket. But it's just black and like, looks like that. It's half zip up thing. I really like these, so I got this one. It's pink. T-shirt from the boys section. It's just black and it has Adidas on it. So yeah. Now I'm gonna clean my room because it really needs to be cleaned, and then probably, honestly, go work out. That is what is happening. Upload a video right now, actually, that's what I'm gonna do. You guys can go watch it. It is my get ready with me for prom, even though I don't have a prom. About you. To be the one who is strong and just moves on. Pushing down the road, knock knock on your door. Yikes. Everything looks good. Cancel save. Okay, that's done. I've been filming for so long, but when I start cleaning my room, I will come back. Okay, so I finished uploading and everything, and I'm eating a snack. I'm eating these sweet and spicy jalapeno chips, and I'm watching some YouTube videos, and then I swear I'm gonna clean my room. I'll do it. I'll clean my room. I don't know if I want to work out. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so I'm about to clean my room and listen to music with my earbuds. These are the Raycon Everyday E25 earbuds. These are super discreet and noise isolating. They're perfect for working out, cleaning your room, anytime you want to listen to music. These ones I have are rose gold. This is what they look like. They pair to any phone really easily, and you just put them in. You can barely even notice they're there. You can't even notice. They start playing immediately. Super duper easy to pair. You guys can click the link in the description to get 15% off of your Everyday E25 Raycon earbuds. Definitely check them out. They're super awesome. I'm about to clean my room, but I did also want to mention that they come with all of these different sizes for your ears, which is awesome just because not everyone has the same size ear, so it makes them fit really, really well. Okay, I'm gonna put on a playlist and start cleaning my freaking room. Okay, so I've been cleaning my room, you know, a little bit, and I just wanted to pop in to talk a little bit more about my earbuds. They're awesome. I just wanted to mention, with me dancing around, obviously you guys saw that a little bit. I get crazy listening to music, dancing. I'm not good at dancing, but we don't have to talk about that. They don't slip out of my ears, which is really great for not just cleaning my room and dancing around, but working out. Also, like when I'm running or doing any type of vigorous exercise, having your earbuds fall out is just really annoying because it interrupts what you're doing and it just takes you out of the whole flow. So yeah, and especially when I'm working out, I always like dance in between workouts and they don't fall out, just like I dance while cleaning my room, listening to the music. But yes, the sound quality is amazing. Actually, with this one in, like me talking sounds kind of muffled because so like noise isolating that. Definitely check out Raycon. These are, again, the Everyday E25 earbuds. They're amazing. And I have them in the rose gold color. They're awesome. You can hardly even see them like this. You don't even know that they're in my ears. And I'm jamming the music. So yes, look, I can like, and they just don't fall out. That is so important. That is awesome. These Raycon earbuds actually start about half of the price of other premium wireless earbud brands, so that's saving you some coin. Okay, so I need to actually get back to cleaning my room because it's still kind of a mess and I need to finish doing that. So if you guys want a pair of the Everyday E25 earbuds, definitely click the link in my description and check them out. I'm gonna go back to cleaning. I don't really want to, but it's fine. I know my room's not much cleaner. I totally got distracted because my parents got home. We ate dinner and now I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm not gonna film there. Maybe I'll film on my phone if I remember. But here's the gym fit. It's really cute. This is what I bought today, this shirt. And then I got these Asics shorts from Marshalls also. They're so cute. I love them. And then just sneakers. So, going to work out. But I didn't finish cleaning my room. It's not that bad. I straightened up a little bit. But I need to make my bed. But like, what's the point now? I'm just gonna go to bed in it tonight. I need to fill up my water, grab my Raycon earbuds, and then I'm gonna get on the road. Can't go too hard. First time in like a year, literally a year. I think the last time I went to the gym was last summer and it's this summer, so. Okay, bye, I'm leaving. Bitch. Hi. That's the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of me. And if you liked it, yeah, have a wonderful day. I love you. Bye.